This is the first in a series of short videos which will help you to develop your skills in information searching and management. The video has been placed in the Learning and Materials area of your Blackboard module, Week 1 folder, Session C folder, entitled Introduction to Literature Searching. Our aim now is to build up your skills from last year. You will see that the approach is a more systematic way of searching and recording what happens. Done well, this is great preparation for later assignments. Even at level 6, Sheffield Hallam buys a vast range of resources that you can use. Moving from library search to the databases, you will notice that the library doesn't subscribe to all the articles that are in a database. If you really need to get hold of an article to which we don't subscribe, we can order it for you via our document supply service. Generally, you will see the document supply link when you click on the Shoe Links button. You will see this in action in a later video. There will also be times when you need to do an internet search, and sometimes you will use all three resources when doing a literature search. A bibliographic database indexes the contents of academic journals, and it allows you to find out which journals have published articles about a particular topic. You will find your key databases by selecting the Journals tab from the Social Work and Social Care subject guide. Here's a question to consider, and it will help you to develop your search skills. What would you call this group of individuals? I'll talk about this a little bit more in the second instalment of this lecture. Thank you for listening.